Hi everyone, I am Ilavarasi. Today I am going to share a product review. I will recommend the product which I use in my kitchen so that you can buy in my Amazon link. Today I am going to share a Philips hand blender product review which I have already used to blend the curd in lost recipe video. It's really very easy to handle and good for every kitchen, so I am going to share with you. I can recommend a good product to buy in my Amazon shop, which I have earned some commission if you buy in my Amazon shop on the below link, which I have provided in this video description. Okay, come let's get started with the product review video. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to all and never miss my video to watch. Thank you once again. Take care and bye.